Hi folks, Frank here from Lloyds Classic Car Auctions. Today I'll be showcasing this awesome 1968 Ford Shelby Mustang GT500. This is a genuine Shelby GT500 imported into Australia in the 1970s. The interior has been fully restored, but is still fitted with the original glass, seatbelts, roll cage and body panels. This two-door coupe is running a 428 V8 7-litre engine and is sure to turn some heads come auction day. To organise a virtual inspection, please call Lloyds Classic Car Auctions directly on 1800 456 588 or head to their website at lloydsauctions.com.au. This immaculate GT500 will be going under the hammer on Saturday, January 29th from 10 AM. Happy bidding, and I'll see you at the auction.